Hello, how's it going? This is the first day that I feel pretty good. Like, I feel great. I'm not that low energy. I'm not sad AF. This is great. How's everybody doing? Gear Glass, welcome in. Uh, Hadouken, damn pre-rolls, yeah. Yeah, I do that because of Finn. Finn said he does that, and then I'm like, well, if he's gonna do it, I gotta do it. So now I do it. Yeah. When you do that, instead of ads happening in 45 minutes, they happen in an hour and 10 minutes. Cog. Good job being fist. I'll never say that again. Finn, how are you? Uh, Yo, Virtue. How's it going? All right. All right. Yeah. Welcome, everybody. Um, so there is a user on the Discord. There's a user on the Discord. I won't name them, but they know who they are. And they've been giving me bug reports like every few minutes for like the past, I don't know, week and a half when they joined, which is crazy because there's so many bugs that I missed. But I think I got a really big one that was causing a lot of issues today. And they finally led me to figure out what was going on. Really big one. Time you got Jira, no way. Although it is getting a little messy because people are reporting bugs in 5 different channels. Nobody's using the bug report forum. Everyone's just using like any channel they're in currently. Uh, but yeah, it's been good. I might like look through them right now real quick to see what I can fix. All right, so one of the annoying ones is that how do I turn on streamer mode on desktop? Is that a thing? User settings. Where's streamer mode? Streamer mode. On. Escape. Uh, Usernames have been truncated. Lies. They're still very much visible. What? They're not truncated at all. They're completely visible. All right, well, here's a funny bug. If you are fishing, and the day ends while you're fishing, the bobber, like the fishing bobber, is still in the water in another zone, but it ports you back to your inn, and it just stretches the string the whole way. Yo, Anderson Kev, how are you? You track then help me help you? No way. Can't be Cog. He hasn't played the demo. No, Cog. I would never force you to play the demo. And that's okay. Not everyone is here because they like this video game. Some people just like to hang out, and that's fine. Bean party. Gear Glass. We're having a bean party, apparently. Did you guys all see? Irish John Games finally got partner. Finally. Now I can delete that stupid emote. I'm kidding. Kidding. We love Irish John here. So happy for him. It's great to have multiple places for bugs, especially in places you can't check them off as fixed yet. I actually have been, I was pretty good for a while. I would put a blue checkmark emote when I saw the bug, and then I'd put a green checkmark emote when I fixed the bug, but I stopped. There were just too many bug reports. I stopped doing that. I should probably start doing that again. Today was a full day, and I did it with an inexplicable headache. Congrats. What up, Soul Retriever? Uh, we can turn it off individually too. Turn what off? Your headache? Eye candy. Kev. Kev. Not a bug, just a feature. Yes, always. I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. I feel like I'm getting my sea legs back. They were definitely gone for a while, but they're back. How are you doing, Kev? Yeah, there's been a hiatus of Kev. I haven't seen you stream in so long. I think I saw a Twitter post that you did stream, but it was at like 2 o'clock in the morning my time. Jern is part Jern now. Yep, he's part Jern, part Twitch. He even got raided by official Twitter, and that's how they broke the news to him. That's so cool. Now that Jern is partner, what is he going to do for the people? Nothing. Just collect those checks. Just collect those checks. The truncated usernames in streamer mode. Oh, I see. Yeah, it's only truncating them in like the side activity bar. It's not truncating them in the main body. All right, but this is going to be the first thing I'm just going to go through this list and start fixing these bugs. So when the day ends and you're fishing, gotta fix this. I think I've streamed 5 times in the past month, almost back. Last time was 5 hours, so I'm getting there. Nice. Yo, Turgus. How's it going? I feel like you had a post the other day that was like, "Hey, would you ever think about selling your game? I got an interesting email." It was so baity. It worked perfectly though. You riled up the masses. Yeah. I was thinking about riffing on it, like I don't know what I'd do, but making a joke of what you did and quote retweeting it. So many DMs from all ranges of the industry. Were they all telling you not to sell, or were they all going, "I'll give you double"? Coolshooter.exe is a fun game. I swear, play it. Soul Retriever, that doesn't look like a trustworthy link. All right, let's fix this one. Turgus, I found out my ex-boss, who was an asshole, and the reason I lost my job 3 years ago, is going away to prison for a long time. Oh my god, that's crazy. They wanted to know details and help out, so I didn't get tricked. Felt nice to know people had my back. That's nice. Yeah, that is good. People panel. I've made a mess of this game the past few days. If I wanted to update and push a new build, I probably have a lot of issues. I need to not make such a mess of this game. Too much debug stuff. All right. Let's see what happens when you're in the fishing minigame. There's a chance that it's not a game function bug. It's more of like a visual glitch. And I usually consider visual glitches low priority. Well, let's see. Do I have a fishing rod? I don't have a fishing rod. Let's go get one then. Just found out my mom got fired, but she doesn't know I know. Oh, that's rough. I'm sorry for your mom. Oh, and I got the ice working. Although the ice now is always here. It doesn't turn off. But I did get it to work. So you can run on the ice now. I don't know why it's springtime and there's ice. There's an issue here, though. I don't know what this is all about. Combined mesh, root scene 13. So I think when you make objects static, like these objects right here, they're static. Oh, they're not static. What? Oh no, Unity crashing. Unity crashing. Ah, crap. We're back. Okay. Stop. Why are they not static? Oh, yeah, they are static. They totally are. So combine mesh root scene. When an object is static, it like turns into this other thing, this runtime mesh. But for some reason, the nav mesh is trying to reference it when it's doing its recalculation, but I don't want it to. I don't know how to say ignore this thing. Should look, it's even in the nav mesh ignore layer. Are they not in the nav mesh ignore layer in the other scene? Let's go there. Yeah, they are. What about you guys? What about you guys? No, what about you guys? Yeah, you are. You? Yeah. They're all in the nav mesh ignore. Oh, look, it's only like 13. Okay. So it's only number 13. I have to find 13. This is 2. Oh, God. 3. What am I doing? I'm just selecting everything until I find something that's 13. Oh, there's 12. Oh, it looks like each object also is its own separate one. There's 12. So these two flowers were 12. This flower is 5. These clovers are... Wait, these clovers are not even a part of this. But they are in the nav mesh ignore. Oh, this is annoying. Does anybody have any good news? Not that I'm trying to squash the bad news. The hell? These are 12. Where's 13? Can I just select it? This thing is not even selectable. I don't know where it exists. It just exists in memory. Maybe it's these rocks? Yes, it's these rocks. Oh, polygon nature. Okay. Okay. I think actually I can fix this then. All right, we're good. We're good. Well, the jerk getting arrested was great news. Yeah. Good news. Life's going good now. I think. I think that's good then. Let me open that scene. Height loop. Excuse me. So these rocks. Poly mesh. Oh, you idiot. I freaking hate this thing. I hate this thing. The polybrush is a virus. The polybrush in Unity is a virus, and I wish it would go away. Revert. Revert. Oh, it's this this thing. Okay. Whoops. Revert. Come on. Let go. Revert. Let me reset. Oh my god, it's such a virus. I'm just gonna delete it and remake it. Are you like that too? No, this one's fine. But look at that. It has... There we go. What a virus. Are any of you else like that? You're like that. How about you? No, you're good. You? Good. You? Good. And good. Okay. So, who's the rock? That was the issue. Or is it this thing? Polygon nature. Yeah. It's this thing. These rocks. They have read and write on, though. These all have read and write on. And they're in the default layer. I wonder if I can just, like, make them not static. And then fix. Problem solved. Problem solved. Select. Clusters. Yeah, let's just make them not static. There's not that many of them. I don't actually care. If I make them not static, then they'll be able to calculate just fine. Okay, we're back. Jordan getting partner was great news. Yeah, that was good news. I had Jordan up on my screen while doing work and missed Twitch rating him. I woke up at 6:30 in the morning and I still missed Twitch rating him. I would imagine there's just a big sense of relief from that. Shout out to Irish John. Good news is I updated the webpage I've been working on for the memes. Breaking news, soon to be hit game Alpine Lake gets shut down due to virus installed into the Unity project. Yeah. Which reminds me, I should probably back up. I should probably commit. Push a commit. All right. So why didn't the ice go away? I know I said I was going to work on one thing and I'm not working on that, but... Oh, it's because I did this. Copy. Paste. Off. On. Okay, now the ice should go away. Okay. Let's fix the thing we set out to fix instead of getting sidetracked. Ooh, it's funny. Still giving me an issue, but way less issues. So it was 16 before, now it's only 8. So there's something else that's static that I gotta hunt it down. It's fine. And the ice is gone, so I can't walk on this, which is normal and good. Great. Let's do some fishing. I don't have a fishing rod. Fishing pole. There it is. So if I just let time go by. Oh, it's really laggy. Is this water shader like crazy heavy? Must be. I never realized that. Okay. So next, next, next. So I'm still fishing. And then so it doesn't really break the game, but it kind of does because it's still in the fishing state. It doesn't end fishing. So fishing minigame manager. Fishing controller. I mean, it's a pretty easy fix. Just listen for the end of the day and end it. I could do it in a generic way. Ooh, yeah. I'm wondering if I should pause time when we're in the when the fishing game is like active. This opens up a can of worms. All right. Casting, waiting for fish, fish available, minigame active. So how about I'll pause time when we're anything except waiting. So if we're in the minigame, we pause time. Yeah. We've entered this state. Pause event. No. Bool event. Trigger. Try pause world. We don't want to pause the player. Just try pause the world. That's it. Wait, really? Oh, right. I need to, like, what does it want from me? It wants the Boolean. Music is giving me fancy restaurant vibes. It's perfect. Minigame active. What would remove us from this state? This is true when the active button is down. Calculate overlap. Fishing line available sequence. Entered state, minigame, initialized. I can't remember what else happens in this thing. Oh, this is huge. Oh my god, it's so big. Oh my god, it's so big. Action button down. I see. So if the minigame is active, calculate a hit. Can we get a gun shop in Alpine Lake? No. What for an IDE do you use there? Widen Luke's. This is Visual Studio Community. That's a good question, as Mac likely doesn't use Visual Studio. Wrong. Oh, right. It doesn't. I don't have the top bar here. Yeah, it's Visual Studio Community. 2019 for Mac. Yeah, Microsoft has a. They stopped supporting it, unfortunately, but for a while they had this. Well, they did support it. Listen, guy can be wrong once a week. Okay, the only problem with this, I want to pause it when we. I have so many pausing issues. Pausing is like the bane of this game. I'd love to see how other games deal with really complex pausing. So I have an unentered state. Great. I pause it then. The problem is I don't have an exit state. The state can change many different places. So let's figure out exactly the one. Where's my change state function? Change state. Okay. Change state. This is missed. If we're waiting for a fish. We missed? Why? I don't know. Why did we miss? If a fish is available. Oh, I see. If we're waiting for a fish and we're not in the fish's available state, then we must have missed. Okay, that does make sense, actually. So this is to enter the minigame. How do we exit? Calculate hit. This is if we're in the minigame. So here's one place where we exited the minigame. And then here's one place where we exited the minigame as well. If we I guess if we exit end controller mode, I can just do it here. Screw it. I'll do it here. So minigame completed. Fishing. What is this? Success false? Why isn't it a success? I guess it doesn't matter. It doesn't have a success state. Fishing active equals false. We turn the fishing line off. We null out the reward. Okay, I'll just do it here. Try pause world false. Wait, I should net to go up, but I don't want to. Today we have so demotivating shirts weather in Germany. Shitty. I was like, shirt weather. I love shirts. Shitty weather. I see. You have shitty weather. What's shitty weather to you? I'd love to know. Is it cold and rainy? Because I love cold and rainy. Cold and rainy weather is motivating to me. I speak broken English, but you lost me there. Yeah, a little bit. The weather's getting brisk here. Yes. All right, so I'm going to unpause the world. I'm going to unpause the world. It's going to be great. End minigame. What is this? Focus previous. I don't like that. It's gray, cold, and rainy. Exactly. Oh, I love that. The best depression entry for me in autumn. Listen, just try and appreciate it. There are places in the world that's so sunny and so hot and so uncomfortable. Cold and rainy. Oof, that's the best. That is my favorite time of year because when it's not raining, the air smells nice. When it is raining, the air smells nice. Okay, so why did I do this? Why did I pause the game? I basically paused the game so I can safely exit out of it. That didn't... Yo! Grumble! Grumble, how are you? What? Pixis. Pixis. 3 months in a row. Thank you. Seriously. Welcome in, Raiders. Yeah. How was your stream? For those of you who don't know me, I'm the one in Grumble's chat spamming the whole time and trolling. If you didn't catch that, my name is Andrew. I'm working on this game called Alpine Lake. It's an Innkeeper-Sim cozy game. Avenir, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. If you don't know Grumble, this is what Grumble's working on. It's a precision platformer called Mega Bat. And I've played the demo. The demo's out. Oh God, sorry. I'm trying to cut the music. Cut the music. There's a demo out. I've played it. It's great. It's cute. It's got nice chunky pixel art. It's got really tight precision platformer controls. It's difficult, but not like so hard it's impossible. It's kind of perfect. So make sure to give it a wish list. Give it a try. This boss fight took me a couple tries. 2032 release date. When does it come out for NES? 2032 NES release date. I heard it comes out in December of this year. No, I'm kidding. Yeah. That was fun playing Parking Garage Rally earlier on your stream. I love that game. This is going to be annoying. The demo cutscene is going to kick in. So I just want to make sure the world is paused correctly now when I go into the minigame. So I'm working on fixing some bugs right now. Ooh, there's an issue. Oops. It looks like time is paused. Perfect. Time is paused while we're in this minigame. Presenting the fish. We exit. Does time continue? Time continues. Perfect. It will hopefully be out next year. There we go. Wait, is that 16-bit color? I saw you have a palette in your A sprite, but then when you were just drawing something, you were just choosing colors at random and you don't stick to your palette all the time. Sega and SNES release. Cogs extra trolly today. Okay, so now the game properly pauses. So all I need to do is register when the day ends. Crumble's allergic to pallets. I love a good palette. Sometimes it's restricting. You just really want a color. And none of the colors in your palette are that color. And you use it anyway. Chimera, good morning. How are you? Grandma, I have a secret to tell you. You already told me like 3 secrets today. Go for it. Homie, I woke up from a nap and have coffee. Nobody is safe. So are you like extra energetic from the caffeine nap? Are you groggy? That palette is there to give me base colors, and I don't use color palettes. There you go. All good here. A new day to help a few game studios with their games today. Nice. What are you helping with today? Also, to the Raiders coming in, and even to anyone here that doesn't really know what I'm doing, this link, that's what I'm doing. You can click it. You can give Alpine Lake a wish list. That would be nice. Thank God Automod caught that gear glass. Thank God. Deny. What are you doing with that? What? Cog, now there's 2 of you. What am I supposed to do? He does know a little color theory, so he's not completely guessing. It's what I choose to believe. Yes. Just believe that. It'll make you saner. Gearglass is trying to horn in on my territory. I see what you did there. I see what you did there. All right. All right, so this should be simple. All I got to do. Fishing controller. Did I do it in the activity controller? Yeah, I think I want to do it here. In the activity controller, can I safely exit? No, can I? End controller mode? So when we enter... No. I don't know what this is, but I don't like it. I'm just going to do it in the fishing controller specifically. And that's that. So... event listener day tick event tools. Oh my god, this script is big enough. I can't believe I have more than this. So on enable, no. It's a public override void on enable. What? It's already being overwritten. Oh, protected. That's why. I'm like, where is it? It's protected. Protected base dot on enable. And then this dot event start listening day tick event. Oh, wait a minute. I got a wall of text. One sec. I got a MacBook Pro M3 with 18 gigs of RAM from work as a starting gift. I never had a MacBook before, and I'm a bit anxious to switch my work completely to it because I'm anxious about the point that these devices has not enough power for Unity. I have no clue how much power or not these silicon chips have. Have you already looked into it? Can you roughly classify it? the amount of power that the M chips use. So I'm on a MacBook. I'm on an M1 Pro, and it runs Unity like a dream. You have an M3, it's gonna eat up Unity for breakfast. You'll be totally fine, Wyden. Gearglass? Yeah, your message sent. Only I saw it. Searant Dev, yo, how's it going? Finn, we need some spicy comments reviewed. Yeah, yeah, I'm on the M1 Pro. And it can't run Unreal that well because Unreal's a giant, no good giant piece of software. It's just a memory hog. I don't have enough memory to run Unreal, but it runs Unity like a champ. MacBook Pro with M1 through 3 chips are really good. Yeah, they're awesome. That's a really good gift. Like I'd take an M3 MacBook right now. I'd take it. I would not say no. 18 gigs of RAM? Wait, what's 18 gigs of RAM? That's weird. But they don't have a dedicated graphics card. The Silicon chip is a graphics card. Like the M1 chip is the graphics card. Or the M3, whatever. That's the beauty of them. And they don't use a lot of power. And they're very quiet and they don't get too hot. Like my wife has the Intel MacBook Pro, the one right before the M1 chip came out. She can't keep the laptop on her lap because it gets too hot. My M1 never gets hot. It's not like cool to the touch. It still gets warm, but it doesn't hurt. It doesn't get hot. Did you guys get a right click on Mac yet? Yeah, I got right click on Mac. See, right clicking. Like, look at my cute little mouse. Look, you want me to be on PC? Look, I'm on PC. Look at me. Look, Windows. Look, Steam. Where's Cortana? What I want to know is, where's Cortana? Cortana was the only good thing Windows had. Look, I got Norton. What can be better than Norton on PC? I love this setup, though. Look at it. I got both. It's so cool. All right. So all I want to do is listen for the end of day. Protected override on disable this .mm stop. Public void on event day tick event. If e dot event type equals end of day, we want to bow out. We want to get the hell out of here. Change state phishing state dot canceled. Get it out of here. $18 gigs of RAM is plenty. Wait, how? Secrets. This is I'm parseced into my PC. I'm remoting into it. For Unreal, we have the rule to work with Windows, but for Unity, we are able to choose between Mac and Windows, and the most in our teams use Macs. Nice. Gearglass, thank you for the lurk. I'm gonna go eepy with my rat buds. And your stream playing. That's. I'm pretty sure you meant you're gonna go to sleep with your earbuds in. So thank you. You might have right click, but you still have the exit button on the wrong side of the screen. Honestly, it switches sometimes. It depends on the software. It's not always on the left. I think it's because when people port software from Windows, they don't flop it. All right. Fishing state canceled. I feel like it's not as simple as that. I'm going to get myself into trouble. I'm going to get myself into trouble. If I hit the cancel button, end fishing after success, what does that mean? Fishing active equals false. Close the minigame manager. Item presentation end. And if we cancel fishing, just cancel. What does that mean? That means cancel. That means it thinks that we're in, a miss sequence. Start coroutine miss sequence. Return line, cancel fishing, end fishing sequence. Oh, it does this anyway. You know what? I think I do just want to end it that way. As a backup, this exclamation cursor, I just want to make sure this is false all the time. End controller. Fishing line. Oh, it already is. Okay. So I think I could do that. I don't have to do the canceled. Cancel. This is bad naming. End fishing sequence. Cancel fishing. Cancel fishing. Because I just don't want to do this return line sequence. I don't care. All right. Good stuff. Alt or Control don't have the same placement, so my hotkeys, hand gestures still feel wrong. When I was on Mac, I could just make the surfer hand gesture, the rock my hand back and forth and hit most of the hotkeys I needed. I will say I don't like my keyboard because my function key is on the bottom left. And when I'm using Maya, like, I have my hand on the keyboard. I always used this part of my pinky or this part of my hand to hit the control key so I can do stuff. I would use that to hit the control key. And now there's a function key there. So I'm much slower. I'm like significantly slower. The control key is right next to it, but it's just not easy to hit. Holy shit, I can't appel. Here, Glass, you need to go to sleep. You need to go eepy. Give Automod a break. I think that's it. Bug fixed. Thank you for that raid earlier, Grumble. It's very kind of you. You could have gone anywhere. There's like 50,000 live streamers right now, but you came here. The chances of you coming here, 1 out of 50,000. That's like, I have a better chance of getting struck by lightning. While standing on a rooftop in a full tin metal outfit. Who else would I have rated? Foul? Disgust look? Yeah, why not? He's right there. That was the best. Oh, hi, Val. I like how I'm turning red with embarrassment, but this is all you. You're the one that should be red right now. I guess I'm so embarrassed for you. All right, he's got notifications. Anytime you say foul, his chatterino lights up. That's amazing. Cause he's still alive, right? Yeah, he's still alive. Val K, Valcock. Oh, jeez. How's it going? Welcome in. Val's gonna be restructuring the team soon. I'll need to go back and watch the VOD for this moment. Yeah. I'm definitely clipping that. That was the best. Can I get your permission to put that on YouTube? What a nice name. That was me butchering it. I'm very good at butchering names. Please feel free to correct my pronunciation. I'm just going to call you Val. This rooster? Second meaning? Oh, I see. Did I pronounce it correctly? Okay. So let's see what happens. Day ends. End. End. Oh my god. What a day. And we're not fishing. And we're in an... I thought we were in an infinite end of day loop, but the demo ends on the 8th day, so... Success. Bug fixed. Moving on. Next bug. Okay. The next bug is really annoying. The issue is that the biomes are getting too dense. Oh, wait, I missed a couple of messages during all the laughing. It makes the joke even better. Yeah, that was incredible. That could not have gone better. I used to watch Pirate Software this time of night. Haven't for over a month. Been here instead. Pacifist. If he knew that, he would get me kicked off Twitch. You gotta at least lurk in his channel. Oh, God. I will say, watching Pirate Software, you don't watch it to like... You don't watch Pirate Software for the same reason you'd like watch someone like me. The nice thing about Pirate Software is that it's very like current. There's a lot of current events. There's a lot of industry insider information. He has a lot of knowledge about games and game dev and the game industry, it's genuinely interesting. And I think that's why there's 20,000 people there. The nice thing about being here, or basically the rest of Twitch, is you get to have an interactive experience and you get to chat. Your messages don't get ignored all the time, especially when the streamer is energetic enough to catch all of them. Yeah, two different experiences. I won't say one's better than the other. I bet he only fixes this for the demo, not the main game. I mean, yeah, who knows what kind of... Like, that demo cutscene kicked in, and I considered it fixed. I should be testing it outside of that. Okay, I will. I'm going to do my due diligence. I'm going to test it outside of that, so that doesn't happen again. Managers. I wish I had an easier way to do this. Turn demo mode off. You're there for his voice. His voice is nice. Here we can make you blush. Yeah, you can. I like you. Wait, what? Like you? Gurglass, like you what? I put in the I, but you didn't write the I. Ugh. I can't wait to like make winter stuff. I love the way the game looks like in winter. I bet most of you haven't seen this. Look at these paths. Oh, I love them. I talked about this last night as well. It's more connection when there's lower viewers. As you said, two different experiences, both good, yeah. Totally. Guys, I heard Anderson Kev is streaming again at least 5 times a month, so make sure to give him a follow. Fishing pole. It happened 2 times this week. What? It's big, guys. Guys, this is big. You wanna know what's funny? I've only seen one streamer get this blueprint. Nobody, and I mean nobody, comes off this path before they go over this bridge. And there's this blueprint sitting right here. I don't even remember what it is because I never go to it either. One of my favorite parts about slapping the demo together was just hiding these blueprints. It seems to be everyone's favorite thing in the game. They love running into them and collecting them. So I think I need to do more of that. Okay, we're not fishing. Everything seems safe. I can reinitialize the fishing controller. It's great. We come back. I think we're all safe. Good. Good, good, good. Okay, okay, okay. I did my due diligence. We can move on. Next bug is trees are growing inside the house. Inside the house. Biome area. That means I need to turn back on. I thought I fixed this. I don't understand why it's not fixed yet. I don't understand. I do not understand. Trees are growing inside the house. Excuse me, Princess Munez. Cody Coder, how's it going? Munez, how are you? Sounds like a nice zen bug. No, it's kind of creepy. Sometimes a tree just like pops up in your bed. It's aggressive. Okay, there are a couple of trees. Oh look, there's already a tree in the house. What the frick? What the frick? I'm gonna chop that tree down. We are going to progress the end. Progress, 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 progress. So look at this. Okay, there's a tree in the house. I was about to say, oh look, it works, but no, it clearly doesn't. There's a tree in the house. What are we gonna do with the tree in the house? Somebody call their mom. Anybody know what that's from? 10 points to anyone who knows what that's from. Yo, Atrum, how's it going? Okay, now I go audio only. Good night, y'all. Gear Glass, have a good night. If you want to fall asleep, it's not a good idea to have me talking in your ear. Three of them? Yeah, there's many. Or more. Yeah, they haven't stopped. I need to figure that out. I need to get a new bath towel. Is there any new or exciting towel tech I need to look into? Yes, look into thin towels. Thin towels are not as comfortable as thick, soft towels, but they dry way faster and they get less musty over time. Is it Christmas time already with that tree? Yeah, it's totally Christmas time. Aaron, what is up? Rustwell Gear Glass, yes. Why can't you? Because you'll never go to sleep. Look at you. You said you were going to sleep 30 minutes ago. And you're still typing. Just hanging out, working too late. How you doing? I'm doing good. I've learned not to comment too much on how late people are staying up, even though I know how late they're staying up. It's really hard for me. Really hard for me. And you're one of the people that I know is up really late. And it takes a lot of like self-control to not be like, go to bed. Ah. I'm doing my best. You do you. I'm glad you're here. Shout out to Aaron. I'm up so late. It's 9:45 a.m. Munez, good morning. Ohayo gozaimasu. You still studying your Japanese? It's just my schedule, I promise. I mostly sleep an appropriate amount. That's good. Ohayo gozaimasu. Did I do Duolingo today? I did not. Yeah, I've been focused on selling house and finding an apartment. Yeah, that's hard. That's hard. I know what you're going through. Well, I know about the process of buying and selling and looking for apartments and shit. The other more complicated part of your life, I don't know what that's like. So I won't try to relate. All I know is it sounds terrible and I'm sorry. I'm gonna try and get up an hour. We're in an hour. Let's hope my alarm goes off and I wake up to see you in 1 hour. Good luck. Good luck, your glass. Okay, why? Why are trees growing in the house? Biome area. I've gone through this code 5 times. I've thought I fixed it 5 times at least. So here's what happens. Here's how it happens. We gather the spawn map. The spawn map is just a dictionary of positions and the thing that's in that position. If there isn't a specific thing in that position, then this biome spot is null. What is a biome spot, you say? A biome spot is an object that is directly related to the biome, like a tree or a rock or a piece of debris. The house is not a part of the biome, so those come back null. Then, when we progress the biome, we cycle through every spot that is possible. We check collisions for overlaps. Check if there are no blockers, buildings, decorations, etc. So here is where we fill the map with things that are not part of the biome, such as the trail path, anything related to your building, anything related to your decorations, all of that kind of stuff. We do a physics overlap of the spot, and then biome layer mask. I think I see what's going on here. Hey. Blocker found. Let's print this. found do not add spot. Oh my god. Is it really this biome layer mask? In a world without books, explain dictionary. Flirts through adverts. What are ads even, Finn? I don't know. Ads are a lie, exactly, Munez. Oh my god. Cog. I hate that. Focus on this, man. I'm doing my best. So biome layer mask, what is that? Because here I'm supposed to be searching for everything in default as well. What is biome layer mask? I have a feeling it's only biome objects, and that's why I'm not finding. So biome area. The biome layer mask is it is default. Okay. It's only looking for stuff in the default layer. That's normal stuff right there. That's normal everyday stuff because buildings are in the default layer. Let me just double check. I just got told I can't go and wrench Karen screaming from the show. She's staying to the end. Fucking what? What does that even mean? I don't even know what that means. All right, ready? Progress in. I found stage 2. Do not add. What is stage 2? Stage 2. Stage 2. Oh, stage 2. It found the tree. Stage 2 is the grow tree. Okay. Did we find any? Yeah, we found walls. Do not add. Do not add. Found walls. Doors. Where's floors? Oh. Floors are not even here. If I can't collapse this because they're all unique. It's just not finding floors. Why not? If I go into the scene and I select a floor. So here's a floor, right? The collider is off the floor. Is this collider hovering? Watching a show or on a show? Oh, wait. Have fun, Finns? Is Finns leaving? Was that a leaving message? I can't tell. She's a show. What is that? How is she a show? What does that mean? And I can't pick her up. She's staying to the end. This isn't hard. Literally said where she is like 4 times today. You just called her a show. At a show. No, I can't leave yet. What? I'm even more confused. So Karen is a show and you can't leave, but you're home. It was a typo. OMG. I know it was a typo. Stop making typos and I'll understand what you're talking about. This isn't hard. It's so hard. Does anybody else know what's going on? Oh, I love this. Okay. This is not finding floors. This is the only problem. It's finding walls. It's finding doors. It's not finding floors. It's not finding the hot tub either. Hot. Oh, it is finding the hot tub. It found the hot tub, but it didn't seem to care. Foundation. Wood. Found the walls. Build walls. Doors. Box collider. Oh, this is in the terrain layer. It's in the terrain layer. Terrain layer. That explains so much. That explains oh so much. Okay. Let's add good old-fashioned terrain. I still don't feel good about this because it found hot tubs. Why did it spawn in the middle of a hot tub? So I'm not super excited about this. Let's all just go to bed. Yeah, you all need to. No, you do you. I don't care. Lol boy, how's it going? Easy fix, don't have typos. Exactly. I'm so tired. It's like 7 o'clock. For an Englishman, Finn isn't speaking English. Not all the time. Awkward. Why is the floor and hot tub considered terrain? The hot tub is not considered terrain. That's why I'm not confident in this solution. It should have found the hot tub and not spawned in the hot tub. Oh, unless hot tub. Hot tub. Maybe the collider is just not big enough. Yeah, the collider is the whole size. Also, it's got all these blockers, which these are in the default layer. What constitutes something to be left out? If we hit a collider and that collider, oh, it looks like we only care about blockers. We only care about blockers. Wait a minute, foundation. A build blocker. This is a default block. Okay, it should have found the floor. It should have found build blocker. Build blocker. Blocker. Nah. Wait, blocker.transform.parent.name. So it should have been returned foundation. Foundation. So it's not hitting this. I wonder if it just needs to be taller. What if I make this taller? I feel like I made it short for a reason, but I don't know. I don't know. Why did I make it short? Okay, so what is this? The half extents orientation. So the half extents are wait. So the center is the spot. What is this? Can I get rid of this? Okay, we're gonna try something. I'm gonna get rid of this vector 3 dot up times 0.5. I don't like that. I don't like that. I feel like that's messing with it. I just want it at the spot, whatever. Shall we ask Morgpie? She knows all about it. Wait, someone was at TwitchCon and they met her and they said they were very nice. I think it was Whitechapel. Yo, Black Mage, how's it going? Good morning. 9 p.m. Now you reduce the height by 1. So you had a cube 1 by 2 by 1. Exactly. I had a... So that means it should have been going through the floor. By a significant amount. That's what I wanted. Now it's just going to be 1 by... Basically, almost 1 by 1 by 1. And I added terrain to the layer mask. Let's see what happens. I don't know. If it fixes it, then it fixes it. Justin 6, how's it going? Sorry I haven't made many streams. I've been busy. Dude, you do not have to apologize. Nobody is required to be here. Karnik, how's it going? Welcome in. Try after biome layer mask the query trigger enum to whatever include would be. Oh, okay. If this doesn't work, I'll try that. So is that like another what are they called? Another function override, and there's a query trigger enum in there. Justin, that's really kind of you. That's way too kind of you. Progress. Okay, we're already spawning in there, and there's one in the hot tub. God damn it. There's none in the bedrooms yet, though. I wonder why. Yep, there's one. right in the bed. And look, foundation is just not being found. Out of the over 1,000 function or 1,000 calls here, foundation is never found. I'm gonna. So what is the query thing? What? One more thing. Query interaction trigger. Dot collide. Queries always report trigger hits. Use global? Queries use the global physics queries hit triggers setting. I don't know. Okay, let's see. How's dev been going? Any big plans soon? Nah, it's been kind of chill lately. I've been taking it easy. I'm trying to not pressure myself. Although I do have pretty big news. I don't know if I said it on stream. I think I did, but I requested a long unpaid sabbatical from my job. So starting in November, I do not have a day job for 3 months, roughly. And I hope to get a lot of work done then. I hope to get a lot of like pre-productions, not pre-production stuff. Obviously, I'm well into production, but like stuff that's not easy to do on stream, like writing and story development, character development, game progression, spreadsheet crunching numbers, that kind of stuff. And then hopefully like I'll do that in the mornings and then probably stream around the same time, maybe start even sooner and do slightly longer streams and then just make content. It's going to be fun. I've been looking forward to this. Because it's really hard, you know? I get, the 2 to 3 hours on stream every day and where I do all the work. And that's it. So I fix a couple of bugs. I'll make one model. The game just doesn't progress that fast. So hopefully this really gets me going. I just got to not squander it. I'm feeling my motivation come back to me after these few weeks. It's getting stronger and stronger every day. I'm hoping by November I'm like really firing on all cylinders. Okay, let's see if that worked. So here's the biome area, right? Wait, debug sphere. Oh, debug spheres. Default and terrain. Okay. Progress that in. Progress that in. Progress that in. Progress that in. Okay. Nah, there it goes. There it goes. All right. This is a list of all the free spots. And right after we make all the free spots, we put a debug sphere where there is a free spot. So I should be able to see with one click if that's a free spot. Then re-add the vector 3.up. Otherwise, you might miss the floor. Don't know where the center point is. Yeah, let me put that back. Exciting. Nice big push for the game. Yeah. Are you planning for February 25th Next Fest? No. No. If I'm lucky, I'll get to do next October's Next Fest. Okay. So look at that. Look at this. Look at this. This is the free spots. These are the free spots. When I hit progress in, they didn't change. I actually have to delete them all. So if debug spheres dot count is greater than 0 for each game object sphere in debug spheres. Destroy sphere. I could do that, right? You're sure if the tree spawner uses the same check? No. Not at all. I'm never sure of anything. But we're going to go line by line until we find it. This is the next bug that needs to get fixed. So progress in. I just want to make sure there's only one sphere here. Okay, there's only one. Progress in, progress in, progress in. Yeah, so it doesn't give a shit. It doesn't give a flying shit. It's spawning wherever it wants. Okay. Spots. For each spots. So how do trees spawn, you ask? I go through the dictionary of biome objects, and after a bunch of checks, I age the entities. I make new entities appear if they feel like it. And I make a list of objects that need to progress. So the way trees spawn is that when a tree is there, it looks around it, it drops a seed, and new tree spawns based on some rules. So progress objects, I go through this list and I progress the biome object in here. I pass it the spot map and the position it's in. I don't even pass the, wait a minute, the free spots. I don't even use free spots. What? Free spots. Cycle through spawnable entities and grab a random tile. Oh. So the plot thickens. The plot thickens. I don't use that. Okay, how do trees spawn? So tree, then decoration idea. A tree you can place inside. Got to remember your painful debugging. Yeah, should I make a Christmas tree? Should I make like holiday Christmas tree decoration? Biome object. Tree? I know I have a special biome tree. Biome insect, biome object, biome tree. Yeah, why was that so hard to find? So look at this. Free spots. I calculate my own free spots. And how do I do that? I search around the tree for a potential spot. And then I just do it all willy-nilly. What? So if a potential spot oh, okay. I think the problem I think I see it. I see what went wrong here. I was using this spot map as the end all be all, but I didn't account for the spot map having other stuff in it. So what should I do? Should I pass the free spot list that I already made, or should I incorporate this into this dictionary so it's like an end all be all? Maybe what I do is I make a biome spot that's completely null. I make a biome spot that's completely null, and then I ignore that too. So public bool blocker spot. It's just going to be null. And excuse me. Oh, I already have an is null. Wait. Do I check for is null? Wait a minute. Did I overwrite the operator is null? Or is that my own function? Biome area. Public bool is null. That's just my own function, right? I didn't overwrite the operator. Because like when you change to string, when you overwrite to string, that's just a unity function. No, right? Yeah, okay. So okay, I got this. I got this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these free spots. Or I'm going to make a list of bad spots and add the bad spots to the spot map as null objects. Will that screw me? I don't know, but I'm going to try. Okay, let's try. So gather spawn map. See if we hit a blocker and its parent is a biome entity. Okay. Check first if this is the biome entity. We see if it's the biome entity. If it is, we break. Now see if we hit a blocker and its parent is the biome entity. Okay. We try to get the component of it's a blocker. If it doesn't have a parent, we continue. If the parent doesn't have a biome object, we continue. But if it does have a biome object, then we grab the parent and make that part of the spot map. Okay. So now when we progress, this is free spots. I'm going to make another list of vector3 int taken spots. Or should I just do it like in line? So here we found something and we're breaking out. But what I also want to do is spot map this spot, which is spot, equals new biome object. Biome spot? Null. Biome spot null. Okay. This is going to be weird. We're blocking this spot because there's something there other than a biome object. So now it's not even part of the spot map. It's not available. Okay, so in reality, I only added this one line of code. If this fixes the problem, I just got to make sure the tree itself spot map. Yeah, if it's not null, we don't add it to the tree's free spots. Simple as that. I feel like I've done this before. I'm getting like this like deja vu where I actually used to have null spot maps, but I removed them for a certain reason. I don't remember why. Gotta comment my code when it's complicated like this. All right. I have a feeling this is gonna work. There's already a tree in the hot tub. Wait, what? How? How is there already a tree in the... Did it start there? Wait, I think it just started there. That can't be right. It started there. It's not there. What? What? Please make weed killer code. Where's the tree that was just here? And a tree's in the house. This is crazy. Just took a look at your demo and discussion, and it seems like it really took off. Lots of people engaged. A bunch. Hope it converted well to wish lists. Right now, I don't know. I don't think it converted that well, actually. The thing that converted was being a part of the festival, like the Wholesome Games Festival, and then a YouTube video that took off, which has it's like come down drastically. I've been getting, I think I'm down to like 20 wish lists a day. But before it was going nuts. I was getting hundreds a day because of a YouTube video, not because of the demo release. But everything's totally normalized back down to about 20. But yeah, oh, yesterday I got 15. So it was good for a while. 20 is good. 20 is still good. I mean, my resting average used to be 5. Like 3 to 8. That was my resting amount with no activity, no social media. But right now I've been getting, for like the past 2 weeks, I've been averaging 30. But now it's gone way, way down. And it looks like, wait, what? Did I get 0 yesterday, or is this being weird? It actually says I got 0 yesterday, which is odd because it doesn't usually update this soon. So I think that's fake news. Oh yeah, it doesn't have info for the 9th yet. Yeah. It probably isn't updated. Yeah, it doesn't look updated. Mine shows 0 for yesterday too. Yeah, yeah. That's weird. It never usually does that. It usually like just doesn't show anything. But right now, total is 7,255. That's like, a year and almost a year and a half now. No, a year and like 3 months of wishlist collecting. There's like a small window where it shows 0 before it updates. I guess I never caught that. Even though I refresh like a madman. I've been good lately. I've been checking very infrequently. Sometimes I like go a couple days without checking. I'm like, ooh, which is like healthy. For a while, it was pretty unhealthy. I was checking all the time. Even when I knew it wouldn't refresh, I'd refresh to the page anyway, like just out of habit. It's pretty bad. I refresh all my stats too often. Yeah, it's not good. Okay, so I'm not happy with this. I think what I'm going to do now, I'm not going to do what I was just doing. I'm not going to do this. This like null biome spot. I don't like it. So I'm going to take this back out. Oops. I'm going to take this out and I'm going to pass in this free spots map. I'm not going to make these debug spheres anymore because I know they work. So this progress biome, we give a reference of the spot and the position of this particular. Oh, wait, we give all this. Oh, we give all the positions. We give all the positions. We give the day number. And what I'll do is at the end, I'll give free spots, which is a list. It's a vector3 int list. And here I will accept that free spots. And then I need to update this everywhere. Free spots. Free spots. Is there a way in Visual Studio to reformat this automatically? Refactor. Free spots. Okay, we're back in tree. So I already have free spots. So I'm going to rename this to surrounding free spots. And I'm going to add one more thing. If spot map dot potential, no. If free spots dot contains or doesn't contain potential spot. If free spots does not contain this potential spot, continue. This feels good. This feels good, maybe. Surrounding free spots. Oh, here's the seedling. Here's the seedling Oh, I'm such an idiot. I'm such an idiot. This is all for branch spawning. I was updating the branch spawning. Like, this actually might have worked if I put this in the right spot. But whatever. Here we are. Spot map contains... If the spot map is not null, the spot map contains potential... Doesn't contain... Okay. If... Same thing. If the spot map dot contains... Not contain... No, not spot map. If free spots dot contains potential spot... Continue. Same code. Okay. Bad. Bad, bad, bad. I'm back from watching the VOD, Fal. How are you? Shout out to Fal. It wasn't that bad. I ended stream and immediately went to the VOD. We were just having good old-fashioned fun. It was amazing. Yeah, it was. Oh, wait. No. Oh. However, he's asleep now. You can do whatever you want. Got to restructure the team now? Yeah. Just move the description of his game down a couple notches, you know? Like in the stream team about page. Like down here. You know, he can probably go like, you know, somewhere down here, you know? Guess who's about to be number 8? Look at this team. Oh my god, there's 90 members now. There's 90. That's crazy. Excuse me. Viking, big mad. Cog, let me ask you a very, very, very personal question, and feel free to ignore me. How many channels are you subbed to? Feel free to ignore me. I am subbed. I'll even tell you my number. I am subbed to 1, 2. Oh, wait. Some of these are gifts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 channels that I haven't been gifted. 8 purposeful channels that I spend my own money on. 1. Oh, there you go. That's nice. You just have, I feel like you just have a nice, like, breadth of emotes, and I never know what streamers they're from. Did I tell you that I invited Thor to join the team at TwitchCon? Yeah, I saw it. I saw that. That's awesome. Where is he? Progress, 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 progress. I think we did it. I think we did it, folks. Problem solved. Look at that. Nothing. Nothing in here. These trees are afraid to grow in the house now. They're afraid. Ooh, they're not even growing anymore. Oh, look at that. Oh, and they're finally respecting the grid pattern. Yes. I killed 2 bugs with 1 stone. 2 bugs with 1 line. So before, there was an issue where I didn't want them growing so close to each other. But now they create this, like, perfect pattern. But this is what I want. I want you to be able to run through the forest, and for this basically to be the max density. Oh, thank God. We did it. We did it. Bug solved. Oh my God. It's always the solution that I don't want to do. Even yesterday, like the solution for the pause bug I was having, it's the solution I didn't want to do that worked. What is wrong with the solutions that I want to do and the ones that I don't want to do? Why do the ones I don't want work? I can move on with my life now. I'm going to delete all this. That's not the way. He hasn't accepted it? Ah. 14 gifted. Damn. He's got to accept it. We'll get him one of these days. I had to do a thing I didn't want to do to fix something today. I guess it's in the air. What'd you get up to today? How was the rest of your stream? I was heavy lurking. Heavy lurking. I fixed so many things. Nice. All right, this is a total victory. Ugh. This has been a problem for a while. It feels very good now. It's never felt this good before. What was the next bug? The next bug is... Thought I'd try fishing in the lake rather than the pond. That's not a bug. They caught a fish. A big fish. Is there something wrong with this image? Maybe the fish is too big. I don't know. Okay, I guess those bugs are all fixed. I forgot to flirt through the ad wall. Did ads just happen? I wasn't even paying attention. Oops. All right, what other bugs can I hit? So I'll go channel by channel. They've been put into like every channel. A way of locating NPCs for quests. Yeah, I know. Not sure if the mysterious underground green ore is supposed to drop anything. Yeah. Get rid of cave rubbish. All right, one thing I want to do is I want to fix the way animals show up. Not right now, actually. It's a bigger task. So I fixed that bug. That was pretty big. Oh, one thing that's annoying, the decoration. All right, there's one stupid thing I can fix. I moderate for a gal for like 3 years now. She made this for me because I'm the only dude reminding people to save their fucking art and games, so she gets my prime. That's nice. Save. That's your emote. You own it. Save. All right, creepy painting. The creepy painting is not in the right spot. Painting. This is the right spot. Creepy painting, not in the right spot. Wait. What? Oh, it's this thing. It's this thing. copy component, paste values. That's still not right, but whatever. Oh yeah, it's never going to be the same. Okay, well, at least it's not like in the wall anymore. All right, cool. What's next? All right, so there's an issue I want to fix once and for all. It's the amount of lag that happens when you chop down a tree and are collecting like 10 things at once. It's egregious. It slows down the game. Sometimes errors get thrown, and I don't even know what those errors are. I think it's finally time to fix that lag. Okay. Just cleaning up my scene a little. So, wood. Resource wood. What is it that makes this lag so much? And why do I have a rigid body on these things? Oh, right, because I want them to animate using physics. Is that the problem? Cog. Cog. Bad cog. Let me turn off demo mode. It is off. What? Oh, right. And let me give myself the magical sword of justice. All right, let's turn on the profiler. Rendering, animation, analysis, profiler. And Unity crashed. That was a hard crash. Jesus. It was aggressive. Please do not. Let's try that again. I don't think I like that I turned the profiler window on while in play mode. I've been kind of excited to play Final Fantasy Rebirth. The first few hours of the game, I'm like, what is this Assassin's Creed nonsense? And then I finally got through some of like the story quests, finally met some familiar NPC faces, and now I'm like, ooh, all I want to do is play Final Fantasy. It was a real 180 for me. I was not enjoying it. I was very upset by that too, because it's like my favorite freaking game, Final Fantasy. Or at least 7. So when I wasn't enjoying it, I was like having an existential crisis. An existential crisis. Egg. Existential. Okay. Sorry about that. Oh, wait, no. Exit play mode, then open profiler. Analysis, profiler. All right. Give it a little dock. So I knocked down a tree, right? Spawn. It's actually being really smooth right now. Okay, I need to hit like 2 trees at once. Why is it being fine? Why is it being totally fine? Maybe it's when the pool is too big and has to make new ones. What? Well, that's a spike. What are you? What are you? Stop. Wait, no, did I just lose it? I just lost it. Damn it. All right, keep going. Keep going. It actually also happens when I go to collect demolished stuff, so let me demolish everything. Stop. Okay, you. What are you? What did you do? Player loop, 98%. Took a lot of time, 300 milliseconds. That's a lot. So, why? Update, run, behavior. Behavior update. Dispatcher update, yeah. Wait for job group ID. That's update nav mesh data? Why? Nav mesh hash tile. Looks like nav mesh related. That's weird. Whoa, whoa, what is that? No. I hate that. It's seemingly fine now. I am running out of memory though. I keep bouncing off the memory wall. It's not lagging though. Hmm. Maybe I need a billion more trees to test. Actions, initial spawn clutter. Fill percentage. I'll hide the good one. And this is the bad one. Say fill percentage 1. Point 0.8. I'll say 0.8. Oh God, that's amazing. It's like all this, not like this. These spikes. What are these spikes? Player end of frame. Continues. Oh, delay calls. Item puller. Okay. 39% of it is item puller start pull. There we go. There's something. Item puller. Start pull. What do we do here? I do some waiting. Instantiate. Justin, thank you for the lurk. I hope your dev is going well also. I was rude and I didn't ask how your project's going. That was rude of me. Yeah, before you lurk, if you're not lurking yet, feel free to drop a link to your Steam page. I don't know if I have it. Share it with the peeps. But I can get it. I think it's called Tower of Madness. Tower of Madness. There it is. So for everyone out there curious, this is what Justin Six is working on. Horror game inspired by Stephen King's The Dark Tower. Too scary for me. That's cool. Oh, creepy. Yeah. Everyone, give it a wish list. It's very creepy. I am not into horror games. I cannot play them. Do you play horror games? Or are you just making a horror game? Like, are you an avid horror game player? Oh, God. Oh, God, that emote. So disturbing. I don't know what's more disturbing, that emote or the creepiness factor in your game. Dither, how's it going? Welcome in. Okay. So how do I deduce what's making this so bad? 4% instantiate. Like, what does that even mean? Instantiate copy, instantiate awake, instantiate.produce. Is that related to instantiating things in this function? This broken for beats. It's not anymore. I don't think so. I don't instantiate anything, so I don't know what that means. You love Scooby-Doo? That's not horror. So what are the things that could possibly slow down stuff? Obviously, it's all this transforming and lerping. That can be a factor. I make heavy use of excuse me, animation curves. Does evaluating animation curves, is that expensive? I have some easing functions. Is that expensive? I don't know. What if I don't do those easing functions? I just straight up use the alpha. I wonder if it's smoother. Also, I want to screenshot this. I don't want to lose this. Is there a way to save this? Oh, yeah, you can. Save. Ugh, you know, like put it somewhere? Fine. Fine, I'll put it somewhere. New folder, I guess. Profiling. I'll save it as 10. No, what's today's date? 2024. 10 10 5:55 p.m. Okay. Whoa. Is that a huge difference actually? This feels way better. There are some spikes though. Nah, look at that. That's still real spiky. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Pause this spot right here. That was really bad. I felt that. Fixed update. Physics fixed update. So the physics aspect of things it doesn't like. Script run delay. If I take out rendering, I take out animation, take out garbage collect. It's just scripts. Scripts and physics. Right? Scripts and physics. Those are the two things. Even when I destroy one little thing, it's like a spike. I think it's just like a mixture of everything. Mm. Oh, that's amazing. When I duplicated it, like It kind of like introduces it to the physics system and doesn't overlap. All right, I just want to see what happens when I go to collect all this at the same time. Yeah, it's, oh wow, okay, stop. Look at that, it's terrible. So it's not even the physics system. This is not a physics issue. This is a total script issue. And it is all from that coroutine. Start pull. Yep. Transform.set parent. It's not happy about that. Because it has to do a bunch of matrix math to unparent and reparent. But it's mostly this instantiate. I don't know what this means. Nav mesh modifier. Target acquired. Yeah. All right, let's stop this. No, come back. Phew. I almost lost it. Oh my god. All right, get out of there, profiler. We need you nice and big. Nice and big. A 103 milliseconds. Just for this one coroutine. I just don't understand what instantiate is. Soul Retriever, thank you for the hydrate. What is raw hierarchy? Whoa. Maybe it's all this garbage collection allocation? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Go back. Hierarchy. Okay, wait. Raw hierarchy. Does this tell me new information? Object hider.awake. What? Find objects of type? Oh, that's 0. Time 0.36. All right, let's see how I can clean this up. Obviously, this whole function is too big and too complicated. So how can I clean this up? Instantiation involves defining a particular, variation of an object within a class, assigning it a unique name and allocating memory for it. That's a nice definition. So what is being allocated here? Like, what am I making? Let's go line by line. Start pull. And also, who calls this? Wait, update calls it. Pullable equals false. I'm definitely only calling this once per object, right? That would be terrible. Pullable equals false. Target is not null, n is pullable. Could anything possibly reset this? Reset puller. Yeah, something can reset it. And when we awake... Okay. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to assume it's correctly only being called once. I'm just going to assume it. What do? I check for rigid body. I just check for it. That's not that bad. I enable, or no, I disable a collider. That actually, so that's like a hit to the physics system, right? Disabling a collider. That could be big. I wait a random amount of time. Why do I do a for loop and then wait end of frame? I should just wait. Are you kidding me? Why don't I just wait a random amount of time? Like yield return new wait for seconds. Random wait. Why do I do this? That seems like really pointless. And then I'll just put this in here and not allocate a float. Okay. So if the picker exists, we pick it up. Pick equal true. Okay. Pulled. Pulled equals true. Yes, we've pulled. Oh, look at that. Random wait. Why do I do that? While random wait is greater than 0, and then I minus delta time until we're less, basically until we're less than or equal to 0. And then I set alpha to random wait? Why don't I just set this to 0? I don't know, but I'm about to find out. That's so weird. Why do I do that? This code is legit 4 years old. All right, vectors. I need a start, rotation, start scale, start position. Okay. A random height. Yep, I get a random height. Maybe I don't need to... I can probably do this... This like random range. I wonder how slow random.range is. I can just do this on awake. Private float random height. And then awake random height equals this. I just want to get as much out of this function as possible. The funny thing is, though, awake, this thing just woke up 1 sec, like 1 instant ago. Whatever, we'll just do that. Random height. And I should do the same thing here. Private. Random rotation. Okay. It's just one less thing to think about. And then we're doing a lerp. We are giving it a new position every frame. It probably doesn't like this. We're transforming it and then transforming it again in the same frame. So why don't I do this? Instead of transforming it the first time, I'll just say vector 3 position equals new vector 3. Or no, yeah, equals this. And then position equals... And then I can say position dot y equals height alpha times random height. Well, this is way cleaner. Wow. And then just set it once. Maybe it'll be happy about that. But this isn't the initial spike. The initial spike is this. This happens every frame, and it's not that upset every frame. But that should help a little bit. Let's see what damage we did. Excuse me. Imagine it's just like flatline perfect. Please, please be like that. Midweek deal, Stardew Valley, 50% off. That's a pretty good deal. $7.50 for Stardew Valley. I was looking at Stardew Valley stats earlier today. I just wanted to make myself feel bad. Did you guys know that on Steam alone, Stardew Valley has made an estimated $185 million. That's just an estimation. Between 92 and $278 million. On Steam alone, Stardew Valley is on every console. It's on every platform. Insane. Made by one guy. Hey. Excuse me. And he thought it wasn't a good game. No. No, I think what he didn't realize is that maybe the game loop is not like the most complex thing in the world, but there's just so much there's so much atmosphere. There's so much atmosphere that you're kind of just happy walking around, hearing the sound effects, doing whatever. It's very subtle, but it's just incredibly pleasant. All right. I don't know if it's just me. I might just be making things up, but I feel like the spikes are smaller. There's still a lot of spikes. Let me do what I did last time where I just grabbed one piece of wood and I duplicated it 1,000 times. Excuse me. Oh, I totally broke it. Oh my god, it's busted. Maybe? I don't know. Whoa. Wait. Oh, okay. curious what his next game will be like. Yeah. As long as he just pays attention to atmosphere like he did in Stardew, he'll be fine. He just has a really good sense of atmosphere. Okay, that is still horribly laggy. Pause. That was an extreme. Oh, we got a null ref. Oh, I'm not too worried about that. All right. Now what's wrong? Stop it. So now the worst thing is actually not. Look at this. The worst thing is not the item puller. It's something else. Fixed update. Update script run delayed dynamic frame rate. Oh, wait. Is this the wait for seconds? It still is this. It's just in a different spot. Is it that stupid wait that I added? What if I remove that? This random wait for seconds. What if I don't do that? It does not seem happy about that. I only did that because if you knock down a tree and 10 pieces of wood all spawn at the same time, and you are already amongst them, so in one frame you interact with all of them at the same time, then they all kind of enter your collection zone simultaneously. And all I wanted to do was break that up a bit so it was a little offset. So it wasn't like collecting them all at the same exact moment. That's the only reason why I had that. If this fixes that, just getting rid of that one thing, that'll be so nice. I love the physics. Looking at it makes me wish I added more physics to the game. It's still incredibly laggy. It didn't feel as laggy though. Like that's a lot of pieces right there. That'll never happen, but yeah, it's still crazy laggy. Okay. Excuse me. So now who's complaining? Still, script run behavior update. Yeah. Behavior update. Item puller.